Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 22nd of November. These are the charts of the day. It was a turnaround Tuesday. The markets took a dip early, especially on the Mrtx. And you can see that down to nearly 11.5, it ripped to 11.725 for a 225-point rally, while the S&P jumped after pulling back to 39.56 to over 4,003, 47 points. And it closed at the highs for the day going away. You can see the hourly charts look strong too. We're headed for 40, 50, 65 range, in my opinion. And the NASDAQ 100 could probably reach 12.2, 12.25. Let's go to the charts. Some really good charts today. Swing trade Aehr doing this thing again today, up another $1.57, 6.5%, 1.3 million. Not a lot of volume, but it sure looks like it wants to take out the recent high. 26.67 and reach 29.30 zone. Gold looking much better. If you look at AEM, inverse head and shoulder, breakout, retest, and then today a pop of about 4%. Other golds that we're watching closely are EGO, little junior gold that looks right here for a swing to at least 8.5, maybe 10. GDX, same pattern, GDXU, very similar. After long downtrends, they've broken their base patterns and retested. GOLD, that's Barrick, the bottom of the right hand extended. You can see where resistance is. Get this one across 1680, 85. You might see a stock in the high teens, low 20s. NUGT, one of our favorites, same pattern. This one looks like it's going to run to 40. Back to the regular charts. Nat gas is up. Burl has returned and turn around. Today's action gets it right up to resistance, your next target, 58.5. And then we're looking at 67.8. Could be a powerful move coming. BURL, long downtrend, massive breakout, pullback retest, pop, and today a huge bar up, 155-ish to 192-ish. 37 points, a beautiful run, and a big volume breakout too, right to resistance. Next target is up here, 236, and then we're looking at 270. Cprx is on the run. Beautiful day today, breaking out of its wedge. Pumping $1.89, 12%, 6.3 million. Best volume in a couple months. Looks like it's headed higher. Mid channel target 19, upper channel target 23. EGO or junior gold looking really good. We just mentioned that earlier. Mrtx, the swing trade in copper. Today popped $1.78 as copper was up. This was up 5% today. Your target 43. FDMT monster, after pausing for 2 days, seems to resume this advance with a gain of 260 at 12.5%. If it gets to 25, we're looking at 29.30. Chinese stock FUTU consolidating in this zone for 5-6 days after a big run. Next target 58 and 64. Mrtx with a big pop today. This is a biotech spiking from 72 to 90, finishing 88 and change up almost 14. Looks to me like it's going to test short term. The spike high from August, that was 95.5. The next target's 105. Puma Bio, really nice looking pop. Yesterday we put a swing on it. Today I had a bit of a follow through. Love that pattern. Looking for more. Near term target 5, 5.25, and then 6 3/4, 7. So for a stock impinge in a consolidation mode after a big breakaway gap, but the moving averages crossing over looks like it could explode here. Keep an eye on this one over 120. It could be 130, 40, 50, etc. PRVB, another biotech, was snapped back big time today, jumping $1 or 13%. If you get to 9.5 resistance, your target's 11. PSNY with a big pop out of a base. Volume was solid. The stock gained 18% or $1.16. Next target is in 8.5, 9 zone. And finally, STIM with right-handed extended V, the bottom of the right-hand extended breakout, and a sharp run up to resistance. The pullback immediately tested prior highs. Reversed sharply today, gaining 10% and looking to me like 7 is your next target. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at TechTrader.com, and boy, are there a bunch of them. Now, this is HB saying have a good evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.